Welcome back. In this video, we're making cookies and cream Rice Krispies treats. 5½ cups of mini marshmallows, 3 tablespoons of butter, melt in the microwave for about 60 seconds. Mix until no chunks remain. Then add 6 cups of Rice Krispies and 12 crushed Oreos. Into a pan it goes. Flatten it out with a piece of parchment paper. Grab 1 package of milk chocolate flavored melting wafers. Melt in the microwave. A couple tablespoons of black cocoa powder. Pour over the top of the Rice Krispies. Rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes or until the chocolate has hardened. Cut into rectangles. Mix 1 tablespoon of Oreo vanilla icing with 2 tablespoons of milk. Drizzle the icing over the Rice Krispies. Sprinkle Oreo cookies right over the top. And there we have it. Cookies and cream Rice Krispies treats. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.